Nearly 14 years ago, I stood before our community terrified about what was coming from the Arizona legislature. We weren't ready. We had no choice but to organize. Lucha was founded out of the necessity to protect our communities under attack from SB 1070. Since then, we have risen out of the ashes, fighting extremism along the way and winning for our communities. This is not 2010 anymore. This is 2024, and we are prepared to fight back and win. Yesterday, the people of Arizona witnessed democracy being shut down by Republicans who, in their shame, hid from view their complete disregard for morality and humanity. A rushed process ensued, and within a few hours, Republicans passed HCR 2060. A bill that is not only unconstitutional, but seeping in racism. Today's fight is bigger than one bill. As long as Republican legislators remain in power, this will never end.
As we speak right now, my office is filing a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of this measure, HCR 2060. This referendum is as defective as it is devious. It lacks a funding source, so it's defective. It's preempted by federal law. It's defective. It attempts to do the job of the judiciary by establishing what is and is not probable cause. Defective. It actually delegates enforcement of an Arizona law to Texas on how Texas does with Texas's law. Defective. But most of these defects are not ripe for consideration until the act is more than just proposed. And frankly, that's where HCR 2060 is at this moment. It has been submitted to the Arizona Secretary of State so that it may be proposed to the Arizona voters. The defect that is ripe for challenge, and which we are challenging in our lawsuit that we're filing this morning, is that it embraces more than a single subject. This is a deficiency to the form, and as such, it's vulnerable to challenge before it goes to the ballot, before it ever gets to the ballot.
So we stand here today to protect the livelihoods of all Arizonans. We stand here today to say no to hate, no to division, and no to HCR 2060. We stand here to defend our values, our communities, and our future. And come November, we will remind those who support this bill that democracy belongs to the people, and we will make our voices heard.